With Stage Manager on Mac, you can easily move between tasks while keeping the focus on what's in front of you. Here's how, starting in macOS Ventura. First, click Control Center in the top right corner of your screen. There will be a button to turn Stage Manager on or off. Click it, and Stage Manager will automatically arrange your recently used apps to the side of your screen and put the one you're working on at the center. Click a different app to bring it to the center instead. When you're using an app with multiple open windows, Stage Manager will gather them into a single stack. Click the stack to view the top window, and click the stack again to select a different window. When you click an app icon, a preview of all open windows will be displayed to the side so you can review them at a glance. Click the one you want to use to bring it to the center. You can also have overlapping windows and multiple apps open at the same time. To group apps together, drag one window to the center to pair it with another. You can create multiple app groupings and have as many windows in a group as you'd like. Click anywhere on your desktop, and Stage Manager will move out of the way, so you can access files and even drag them into open windows in Stage Manager. Congratulations, Leo! And that's how Stage Manager helps you to be more productive and organized. To learn more about how to use your Mac, subscribe to our Apple Support YouTube channel, or click another video to keep watching.